Hi, grader. Let's start. Uh, Show my code. One moment. Let's open here. Um, let's start, guys. This is my travel planner. Now I use for a mobile app. Yeah, developer for a mobile app. I think show this in two parts. The mobile apps works on webs and work on my smartphone. I don't know. I have to show to um, to a good way to show, but I'll try. All right, um, because this don't have to way to capture my mobile phone. Um, I will show the apps working on my website. All right. First of all, this layout is a layout um, of the app, just like some text and names, puts titles and titles and for organization the web page. This this part is totally creates for um, adds the trip. All right, it's like I make the same thing and the same logical of the last week. I just change some things and put some um, I would say like some formats for this use, all right? For um, take the validations for strings, like the name you just have two 20 characters, and the data is just only the data, right? I can You can see here what I put, start destinations, start destination trip, start the date. This trip works for add for my ad page on my work. All right, to to add a trip here. All right, each trip is another page. Right, there's one page to add trip, and I have another page to add the trip, like accrued operators, like we need to create in this week in these things. All right. Let me see. I can show here the edge strip works. Right. So I just show so quickly because I don't have too much time to show this return, this text formatted again, and the final is my index page. All right. I have some. Don't have too much time uh, to make a part just for CSS for for the site, and I create this CSS in the down of the page, right? My code in the last page below of my code, all right, below I found the work below my code I found it here. All right, this is my index page. This is my first page. Let's start my with my expo. Um, right, and let me see. All right, let me see. Now I use to open my apps here. The first of all, I will open my app here. Travel planner. All right. Oh, I have one. I don't put no one else layout. I just use the async. All right. The delete works. All right. Let's create again a Paris. Oh no. Let's create a São Paulo. Uh, this year. Uh, the next month and the first day. Right. This year. The next month. In the 7 day, I have Starbucks. visit um, a park. All right. Let's save the trip. All right. Now I have some change of my plans. I don't visit a park. I want visit the MASP museum. All right. Now, yes, works. All right. I have three pages here, and I work the my smartphone, and I back one minute. Um, all right. Now I have the app here. I will create again. I show to. I can delete it. One moment. Yes, I delete it again. And I will create again this São Paulo here. One moment. But it have the same configuration here, right? One moment. I will create São Paulo uh, this year, the next month, the first day this year, the next month in the 7 and budget 500 and visit MASP Museum, right? And now I put all the informations here. I save the trip. Now I have it here. Uh, São Paulo. All right, let me show São Paulo here, and I will edit the pages. I to change this name for Paris and save the changes. Now you can see Paris here. Guys, this my app development, and I'm so grateful for your time, and thank you.